So here you can see both the parts of our project. So basically the project is wireless relay of signal over a distance.
So in this we are going to relay a signal for increase and decrease of the temperature beyond a certain specified threshold. So if it increases or decreases, it will relay a signal from a transmitter end to the receiver end.
So here you can see this is the transmitter part of our the entire setup, and that part is the receiver part. So let us now focus on the transmitter part. The transmitter part has this connection supply. This is laptop power supply. This is the breadboard onto which the different connections are made using the amplifier AD595. Now we also have connected is Arduino board, and to that we have the XB, the wireless transmitter connected to it. The other part of that Arduino board is connected to the sensor, which in this case is a K-type thermocouple, which would sense the temperature difference and send it via the Zigbee board. So
once we get a signal from this, that is, if we increase the temperature of this thermocouple, then the signal would go on to this Arduino board, amplified by this operational amplifier, and then go on to the Arduino board, from which it would go on to through Zigbee wirelessly conveyed to another portion, that is the receiver end. So we'll just give you a demo of how it works.
The program has been already put into that Arduino board using the Arduino code, so that at this point of time we are not requiring the program to be displayed. So let us first briefly describe the receiver part.
So this is the receiver end, in which again we have another Arduino board connected to another Zigbee, which is a receiver Zigbee, counterpart of the transmitter end that we have over there. Another thing which has been attached to it is a speaker and a LED, which glows and blows simultaneously whenever there is an increase or decrease in the temperature beyond the specified threshold. So we'll just give you a demo how it works. So we're going to increase the temperature.
So basically the temperature is set at normal room temperature, around 25 to 30. So at this point of time it is neither the LED is glowing nor the buzzer is blowing. So now if we increase the temperature, you would see the LED glowing and the buzzer blowing. So
the temperature,
you can see the buzzer is blowing and the LED, the red light is glowing on it. So the signal has been transmitted wirelessly through the Zigbee board, and the other receiver Zigbee has received it, and it's glowing. So now what we'll do is we'll put the this particular thing inside the ice and see how this responds. So this should stop glowing. So you can see.
Since the temperature has went down the specified threshold, so it has stopped relaying the signal to the receiver end, and there is no signal at all at the receiver and at the LED. So this is all about the process.
Thank you.